Welcome to another How To Monday video. I am MindBlown Chef and this is Cooking Made Simple. These how-to videos are strictly for you viewers at home when you're sitting around and you get a thought in your head on how to do that. Well, I will put the link to my channel in the bottom in the description. Click it. I have how-to playlists and I also do recipes. You guys will have no question after you watch my channel. In today's video, how to pickle red onions. For an upcoming video I'm going to do, I need pickled red onions and I will put the link to that video in this video. Let's get started. Two ingredients that you have to have: vinegar and water, equal parts. I'm going to use 1 cup of each in this recipe. I'm using white distilled vinegar. You can use any vinegar you want. The variation comes here. I'm using garlic. I also have some peppercorns. I have a little bit of sugar. You don't have to use sugar, but I'm using sugar to bite through some of that vinegar. And then a pinch of salt and also some bay leaf. I chose those ingredients just because I know the flavors that I'm gonna get from those and I'm gonna like it. Now, I also have a jar here. Be careful with your jar. When you're dealing with vinegar, you wanna get a jar that has a glass lid that's non-reactive. Certain metals will react. So I've got what's called a tulip jar here. I also have my red onions cut in the jar ready to go. Onion ring slices. Now, if you don't know how to cut onion rings, I'll put the link to that video. I go over every single possible cut you can ever imagine when it comes to how to cut an onion. In our pot, we're gonna add all our dry ingredients: sugar, peppercorns, bay leaf, garlic, and a pinch of salt. And equal parts vinegar, water. I'm gonna bring my pickling solution up to a boil and then I'm going to place it into the jar of the onions. Now, if I were going to use these for something different, I'm using these for a salad. If I were gonna use them for like a burger, I wouldn't wanna heat my liquid up because I would want a crispier onion at the end. And because this liquid's going in boiling, it's gonna cook the onions slightly, making them kind of soft. So, if you want a crisper onion, do not boil your solution. Mix and dissolve the salt and the sugar and then place that directly into your pickling jar. We got it up to a boil. Now we're gonna go ahead and pour it directly into our jar. Contents are nice and hot. We're gonna go ahead and seal this up. You're gonna place this in your fridge. You wanna place it in there for at least 1 hour. I recommend going at least 3 hours. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get as much of that nice pink color in the onions, and what you'll notice is the vinegar is gonna change the onions color. They're gonna turn like a nice pink color. You can eat these up to a few weeks in your fridge. I recommend the first week. After that, maybe discard them, but they will last for a few weeks in your fridge. That wraps it up for this video, guys. I truly, from the bottom of my heart, hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out my channel. Thumbs up and subscribe if you did.